and that program is going to include, Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. With all the rain and ice and moisture in general that we've had and our area is just accustomed to in the spring, something you're going to start noticing is going to be fire ants. They're fixing to be a real big thing. In a situation like this, you can see it's very active, literally everywhere. Ideally, you're taking care of your lawn and you're on some sort of formal treatment program, and that program is going to include, insecticides in the program, and that's going to take care of these ant piles. If you're not, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have to spot treat the individual pile. But what you've got to be careful of when you do that is when you spot treat the pile, if you don't completely kill the pile, all you're going to do is just move them from one area of your yard to the next. Whenever you're on a treatment program, even if your neighbors have them, your yard's got a barrier protection down so they're not going to migrate over. So anyway, there's plenty of powders, plenty of liquids, there's plenty of options out there to take care of these if you're needing to spot treat, or like I said before, there's products like Bifin. There's several different things out there that are compatible with your different applications that you need to be making this time of the year, and you can just preemptively throughout the year include those in your different mixes, and you'll just never have to deal with this problem to begin with. So lots of rain, lots of water, lots of moisture. Be on the lookout for fire ants. If you got any questions, let us know. Look forward to hearing from you. Y'all have a good day.